Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, we will be discussing the templates section of the timeline. So to start, let's log into your AEvent account. From the dashboard, click on the timeline section from the left-hand side, and let's open the timeline that we will be using. And over here on the left-hand side, go to templates. And in this section, you will see the different timeline templates that you can use for your timeline. So for example, you want to overwrite the existing template that's currently being used for your timeline. You just have to select the template that you want to overwrite it with, and then just click on install template on the lower right. It will prompt you if you'd like to add a template to your timeline or overwrite the current timeline with template. If you are sure, just click on overwrite. Now, for example, your current timeline doesn't have any template being used for it, and you decided to skip it when you initially created the timeline, and now you've decided that you want to install a template on it or add a template to it. Just select the template that you want to add to your timeline, click on install template, and then just click on add. This is also where you can import a template. So for example, you know someone who's also using AEvent and you wanted to use the same template that they have for their existing timeline. So they will be providing you with a code. Once you have that code, you just have to click on import template. This will prompt you for the code, enter it here, and then just click on add on the lower right. So that would be all for this video. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to contact support. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave us a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of our future uploads. Thank you for watching.